I was still in that prison cell. Thug issues, trust issues, tripping off a finna tell. Kill me if I ever fail. Nigga, you was never there. Don't sneak up on my genre. You ain't working, bro. Don't